Let's go to work when it's Alaska out here. Y'all, I had like a bunch of snow and ice right here, and it's still up here. And I had to use like hot water and a spatula for grilling to get them off because I couldn't find the thing, the scraper, ice scraper. But all right, y'all. So update: I tried driving to work. I do not trust my brakes because the noise is coming out of it, and the fact that my car is sliding. I gotta drive 40 minutes, so I don't think so. Going back home. Bye, y'all. Let me stop before I really bust my